Friends, if you want to move ahead by making your life successful, then by forgetting, do not forget to say these 5 things with yourself. You will feel that if you do not talk to yourself, then take a look at my things. You do the most thing yourself and you will become like you talked about yourself, so stop talking to these 5 things with yourself. Every time before doing any work, your mind, and you talk about it that you will not be able to do it, stop it. You have heard this line, some people will say that people have the work to say, when you do something. Even then people will say something or something, and even when you do not do anything, people will say something or something, so leave the people, listen to their work, put your heart in. What is infamy is on the character, a blur that is gradually washed away over time. So it should never take much of its infamy from inside. Something bad happened, but it will be fine with time. If you also keep thinking about your family and relatives day and night, then tell me when you take time for yourself. If you keep thinking about others, even if you are a relative, then you have something in your life will not be able to do. This is the biggest disease that has happened in today's time. Think of the disease as a bigger disease than the disease. Nowadays, most of the young internet and letter journals read about the diseases of the world, and find signs of all the diseases in their bodies, and keep on ruining your time.